sailing kayak project follow-up. It's fully assembled, ready to go try it out on the ocean. The standing rigging is made of plastic steel covered clothesline. The post is an antenna post I picked up somewhere. The sail is made out of a tarp, which I've sewn and adjusted to it, which is easily raised like so. Sometimes it's a little bit stiff, but so that's the sail area. I'll tie this down here. Try to at least. This is the extra strap that supports the wooden beam to the kayak. Let's see if I can raise it completely. Something is binding in there. I don't know what. It could be this thing here. There we go. So now the sail is fully up. Try and tie it down so it doesn't move. Okay. So that's the sail raised. This is the rudder control, which goes there all the way to the back. This is the sail control, which enables me to trim it so it's freely traveling all the way out, and bring it back. So, and what else? This is a T PVC pipe fitting, 1 inch, and it also enables the boom to go up for storage and transportation, and also when the wind hits on it, so it's really flexible. And I guess that's it. This is the support for the paddle. So next time I do a video, it will be it on the water in the ocean. Thanks for watching.